Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable noise cancellation with one earbud for your Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. You have to start by open Galaxy Wearable application, and if you add your earbuds to the app you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and go to Earbuds Settings. After that, scroll down just a bit, you need to find Accessibility and tap at this line also. And right here we have a line, noise control with one earbud, and to enable this mode you need to click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Now, to disable, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have a colorful background. And that's it now, so let me turn off it, and if I put just one earbud to my ear, as you can see I cannot use ANC, but once I enable it, I can use it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!